All right, welcome back, guys. In today's video, we'll talk about a mistake which my student has done. I was talking about it about placing the stop loss and how it got triggered. So basically, what happened is like we had a harmonic pattern over here. All right, we had a butterfly pattern. It's in pound dollar, 15 minutes, and we did get a good closing over here. If you see, we have a 3 bar candle over here. All right. However, what my student has done is he kept the stop loss right over here. All right. Entry is the same, but the stop loss right over here. And guess what happened? And that too, we had a counter trend trading. Basically, most of the harmonic patterns will be, mostly it will be counter trend trading. So even on this one, the market did try to break it. Okay, did too many spikes, 1 2 3 spikes it has done, and then just boomed, took the stop loss and went in your direction. So I know so many of them has this same issue wherever they are finding a candlestick pattern right at the top of the candle pattern, or right on top of the swing, they have the habit of keeping the stop loss. Now when it comes to market, what you need to understand is that market has the tendency of retesting the structure every now and then. All right. So basically, you need to give some breathing space for the market to play around. All right. Now, in this case, I do not see anything wrong what the market did. It just did, market did go up, and all it has done is made a double top. All right. This was the neckline, and the market eventually breached the neckline and went in our direction. I'm not going to talk about double top and its rules for this, but the point here is we should actually give some breathing space. And the best way to keep a stop loss is taking advantage of ATR. So that's what this whole video is all about. Whole video is about. ATR is nothing but average true range. Okay, it shows the range of movement. Okay, maybe number of pips or number of points the market can do in one particular time frame. Okay, might be a bit confusing. I'll try my best to make you guys understand. So what I'm trying to talk about is let's take one candle pattern. All right, let's make it bullish. All right, and we have this. Uh, all right, let's make this in front. Can we make this in front? Yeah, bring to front. And it doesn't work in that way. Anyways, the point is market opened over here. So let's put a number for that. Okay. So let's say we had 100. Yeah. Let's put this as 100. All right. Market came down to 90. Okay. So the lowest it has gone is around 90. So let's put that on 90. Why am I struggling? Okay. Market went all the way up, the highest. Okay. Now that, let's make it to probably 160, I guess. 160. Let's just take a random number of 210. All right. And the closing we have it around 100. Sorry, 200. Okay. These are just random numbers. Okay. So this is the range of this candle. Okay, in 15 minutes. Now ATR will change depending upon what time frame you're using and how many period you're using. So for this candle's range is 210 minus 90. Now that will be around 110. Yeah, 110 will be the range of this candle. Okay. Now this is about the range of one candle. Now, when it comes to ATR, we will not be taking the range of one candle. We'll be taking the range. Usually, the standard range is around 14 days period. Okay, so that means you will take 14 candles range. Okay, so basically, let me. What I'll do is I'll write it down. So let's say one of the candles range is 50. Okay, and then we add that with the next candle's range. Now let's say that range is 25, and then 70 plus 30 plus 80 plus 20 plus 50 plus 90. All right, so right now I'm going to take average of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, let's just take 7, because I usually take the ATR of 7 period because I'm in an intraday trading. Okay, so 15 minutes, 5 minutes works really well for me. And for that, I do not use the standard rate of 14, I use it 17. So 7 candles range. Okay, and then you divide that by 7. So that gives you the average of the past 7 candles. Okay, so basically, if you want to see here, now you do not have anything over here. Now in this case, what I'll do is, if you want to add the indicator, all you need to do is I have this in my favorite average true range. If you don't have, just type in ATR. The first thing should be average true range. Okay, so click on that, and then we have this ATR window popping up. So ATR, one thing which you guys need to understand is ATR doesn't tell you anything about what direction the market is. Okay, it's not like any other indicator. It just shows you what is the range of the market in that particular time frame. Now, I'm on the 15 minutes time frame, so the ATR for this one will be different. So if I go to this current market, okay, so you see over here, just check it over here. Let me change the color of this. Probably this makes sense. Yeah, perfect. So just look at this number over here in the ATR. So you see this, it's 0.0096. That means there are good chances that nine pips can be, the market can do 9 pips on an average. All right. Now, when I took the trade over here, what I did is usually people keep the stop loss over here. Now, I do not want to do the same mistake what all the other, uh, you know, other traders do. I want to give some breathing space for the market. So what I do is I will first check the ATR of this level. Now, at this time, if you look left on the ATR page, 0.00183. So what I do is I add that to the price of this level. Now the price of this high is 1.31710. All right, plus 0.00182. Now that comes around somewhere over here, I guess. That's why I would have kept a stop loss over here. Let's see. Why it is not coming? Yeah, 00. Probably at that time it was somewhere around 23. I am not sure why it is changing. 183. I'm not sure why I kept about that. It is around 0.00183. So again, let's do it. 183. So let's round it off to 190. So you see 0.00190. All right, 19 pips. So that's the breathing space which I have given for the market, so that it doesn't get stopped out. Now my students, it wasn't a demo account, but anyways, I always tell them to give at least 10 pip gap. Okay, but according to the ATR, I'm supposed to give a 19 pip gap, because the market has the tendency of moving that much. All right, and that's exactly what it has done. It went up, did a double top. All right, it's a valid double top, and then went in our favor. So this you can actually use for almost all your stop loss placement. Most of the time, there are chances that people have a breakout of this structure. Okay. Let's remove this and this. What I wanted to show us. Now let's say that you want to be in a trend continuation pattern. All right. So you want to enter over here. Okay. As soon as the candle breaks out. Okay. Let's assume that we have a candle closing something like this. All right. So you want to enter over here. Now do not keep your stop loss. Now this is your immediate swing. So do not keep your stop loss right at the top of this one. All right. Give some breathing space. So what you guys need to do is look at the range what it has. Now right now the candle is forming. Now 9 is the range. Okay. Or 0.0090. So what you need to do is go over to the swing. Okay. Yeah. Go over to the swing, and from there use this tool. So that is around 1.31120. So that's your stop loss placement. One 1.31130, I believe. I'm not sure. But anyways, I think you got the gist. So this is how you are. You need to keep the stop loss. There are definitely chances that market can, after giving a good breakout like this, market can do a pullback, retest of the structure, and maybe because of the spread, you might get stopped out if you keep the stop loss over here. So, I mean, there are, so it's like give some breathing space for the market to play around. Okay, let it do whatever it has to do. Once you place the stop loss, do not meddle with that stop loss. I see that in a lot of new traders that they know they are so confident that the market will go in their direction. So what do? When the market reaches over here, they move the stop loss. Maybe this is the next swing. Let it be. And if the market goes even more higher, I think this is a better stop loss. Now, in this way, instead of risking 2%, you are risking higher and higher and higher. All right. Instead of 2%, you might have already risked around probably 5 or 8%. That's a big no-no. And you'll never know. Maybe, let's say some news came out of nowhere. It can just shoot up like this. The market will not even give you time to move your stop loss. So please do not do that. Whatever stop loss you have kept, just either let it hit the stop loss and let it change the direction. Maybe you're getting a better opportunity. All right. Always think in that form. So this ATR, you can always use it for your advantage in keeping your stop loss. Also in placing your take profit as well. So when it comes to take profit, maybe you need to keep it number of pips above. Now, in this case, let's say 618 is your target. Okay, this blue line is your target. All right. So right now, you know the range is around 9. So what you do is you put the take profit. Uh, why it is not coming? Yeah. Around here. That is 1.29920. So this will become your take profit. Okay, so this is how you can take advantage of ATR, and it's a very powerful tool. It has helped me a lot. Okay, so Please try this and let me know in the comments what your whatever your questions you have, or there are times that some traders use 2 ATR. So that means in this case you have 9 pips, so they just double it up. So around 18 pips they'll be keeping. Now that's a very safe one. So, anyways, whatever you're planning to do, I would always recommend you to do a back testing. So, do the back testing on ATR. It's not going to harm you. Okay, just do the back testing, and trust me, your results are going to change. Right. So that's it for today's video, and thank you. If you like it, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. It's a new channel. So, and if you want more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section. It's definitely going to help me. Okay, making another video. This time I got the idea of doing this video because of my student. I would like to know the ideas from you guys as well. So help me out, and I'll try my best to produce a video next time. All right. Thank you very much, and have a great day.